FASSTA Connect offers flexible control of user permissions within your business. To grant multiple users access to your FASSTA Connect business, select the Users tab under Settings in the sidebar. Click the Add User button and enter the new user's name and email address. Setting a user's role to administrator allows them full access to the account, where a regular user's access can be customized and restricted. Sending an invitation email to a new user will prompt them to sign up for an account if they are not yet registered with FASSTA Connect. Specify permissions for the new regular user. If these options are turned off, the function will not display in the user's sidebar. A user's permissions can be managed and changed through the More Options icon at any time. Turn on notifications by clicking the switch next to each user. New users will need to sign up for an account. Signing up takes less than 2 minutes and can be done through the FASSTA website or through a link in the invitation email. If the user already has a FASSTA Connect account under that email address, a notification will appear on the My Businesses screen under the Pending Invitations tab. Accept the invitation through the More Options icon. Adding multiple users to FASSTA Connect allows collaboration in your team, while customizable admin settings can limit user permissions, giving you full control of your business.